Untrue statement in prospectus section 34, non-compliance by auditor section 143 and 145, failure to assist investigation section 217, 6, failure to assist prosecution of guilty officers section 2024, failure to return property books or papers section 299, penalty for falsification of books section 336, prosecution of auditor section 342, penalty for deliberate act of commission or omission section 448. Powers of an auditor, right to access. Every auditor of a company shall have right to access at all time to book of accounts and vouchers of the company. The auditor shall be entitled to require from officers of the company such information and explanation as he may consider necessary for performance of his duties. Auditor to sign audit reports. The auditor of the company shall sign the auditor's report or sign or certify any other document of the company and financial transactions or matters which have any adverse effect on the functioning of the company mentioned in the auditor's report shall be read before the company in general meeting and shall be open to inspection by any member of the company. Auditor in general meeting. It is a prime requirement under Section 146 that the company must send all notices and communication to the auditor relating to any general meeting. Right to remuneration. The remuneration of the auditor of a company shall be fixed in its general meeting or in such manner as may be determined therein. It must include the expenses, if any, incurred by the auditor in connection with the audit of the company and any facility extended to him, but does not include any remuneration paid to him for any other service rendered by him at the request of the company. Consent of auditor. As per section 26, the company must mention in their prospectus the name, address, and consent of the auditors of the company. Duties of an auditor. Make report. The auditor shall make a report to the members of the company on accounts examined by him on every financial statements. Audit report of government company. The auditor of the government company will be appointed by the Comptroller and Auditor General of India, and such auditors shall act according to the direction given by them. He must submit a report to them which should include the action taken by him and its impact on accounts and financial statement of the company. Liable to pay damages. Duties of an auditor. Branch audit, auditing standards, fraud reporting, winding up. The process of selling all the assets of a business, paying off creditors, distributing any remaining assets to the principals or parent company, and then dissolving the business. Winding up can refer to such a process either for a specific business line of a corporation or to the dissolution of a corporation itself. Kinds of winding up. Winding up by the tribunal, filing, filing, winding up petition, final order and its content, voluntary winding up. E-governance. Electronic governance or e-governance implies government functioning with the application of ICT, information and communications technology. Hence, e-governance is basically a move toward smart governance implying simple, moral, accountable, responsive and transparent governance. Interactions in e-governance. G to C, government to citizens. G to B, government to business. Government to government and government to employees. Role of engineers in e-governance. The role of engineers has suffered many changes over the last few decades, although its concept, which is based on trial and error, has remained an essential